Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waterloo, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Waterloo, Reedsville, Richwood, Lowell, and Hubbleton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.